Alright, so I was just gearing this lesson towards beginners and just threw a capo on the 2nd fret. And we're just going to start with a C shape. So your index finger goes on 1st fret of B, middle finger 2nd fret of D, ring finger 3rd fret of A. This drum pattern is down, 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 up, up, down, down, up, down, up. So a little slower. Time, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. All right. So for the intro and verse, we got C. Then we're going to go to an E minor, sorry if you couldn't hear me there. Middle finger stays where it is on 2nd fret of the D. Index finger jumps up to 2nd fret of the A. So that's a pretty easy pivot. You just leave your middle finger down. Then we're going to go to A minor. So you leave your middle finger again where it is on that 2nd fret of the D. Bring your index finger back down to 1st fret of the B. Now ring finger tucks right underneath middle finger on 2nd fret of the G. Go to a G chord. So index finger 2nd fret of A, middle finger 3rd fret of low E, ring finger 3rd fret of B, pinky 3rd fret of high E. Alright, so you put that all together. So that's going to happen a couple times for the verse. Then you'll hear it go into another piece, which is very much the same. So what's happening there is you just get an extra chord to walk down to the C. So you start on the C, E minor, same as usual, A minor, so you get to the G and you just do the first half of this drum pattern, down, 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 up, or that might actually be just a slight alteration, down, and then you're going to go to an F. So index finger, again, 1st fret of B, middle finger, 2nd fret of G, ring finger, 3rd fret of A, pinky, 3rd fret of D. All right. And I focus my strum on the A through the B. So you got G, all right, and you'll do that again. We're going to go into this section where we're driving the chords. All right, so what that is we're driving the C, we drive the E minor, then we're going to go to a D minor for a whole note strum. So index finger 1st fret of high E, middle finger 2nd fret of G, ring finger 3rd fret of B, and then again to G. Then we get into the chorus, C. right? So notice on the chorus it goes C, E minor, A minor, then F shape, right? And then the second time, C, E minor, A minor, G. So let's just play all that, just all the way through from the tip top. Chorus. All right, and then I think for the rest of the song, it just follows a similar iteration. For all the rest of the song is just those same sections we went over. So anyway, I hope this lesson was helpful. Go ahead, hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.